Good morning, children. Welcome you, your class. Then, today in your physics class, we are learning next derivation, position, velocity relation. Last classes we learned two derivations. First one, velocity time relation. That is v equal to u plus at. Next, you learned position time relation. That is s equal to ut plus half at square. I hope everybody written 5 times each one and studied. Then only you have to attend this class. So we have a position velocity relation. Here we eliminated the time. Time is not there, eliminated. Then remaining position and velocity only mainly in the equation. Time factor not there. Then here we are using previous graph in another form. First previous two cases we used this graph only, velocity time graph. But this graph just turned. When turning, x-axis and y-axis just turned. So we have same graph only, but it is turned so that this becomes we have time axis this here. This one is velocity axis. So we have velocity axis of this velocity. So this is time axis, this is velocity axis. So we have a velocity axis. Already you know this when we turn it, you can see. Oh, here it comes that oh it is E only. That it becomes E only that we don't want only this part to use. That's why I have drawn still here. So this part when we turn it, we are getting this graph like that form. So just turn your textbook and see. Then it looks like this form. What is the shape? Area under the graph. AB is the graph we have. AB is the graph. AB is the graph. This AB under this area gives distance traveled. Here also starting like previous case only. So S equal to area enclosed within the graph, below graph. It gives a distance traveled. Here also we are considering an object traveling in a straight line with the uniform acceleration. Like the previous two equations only, here object traveling in a straight line with the uniform acceleration. So we have a nature of the graph straight line. Then we are considering the area below the graph. Area occupied below the graph gives distance traveled or magnitude of displacement. So we have S equal to area O A B C. Area O A B C. Like previous O A B C. Then we are starting like previous case only. But here depending on equation for trapezium. What is the equation for trapezium? Area how will you find area of trapezium? S how will you find which equation? Half h into a plus b. This equation we are using. S equal to area. Area we are using area only. Area equal to half h into a plus b because it is trapezium. So trapezium area only half h into a plus b. So here area means distance traveled only. So S we can write S equal to half h into a plus b. Area is distance traveled only. So we can use S equal to half h into a plus b. This graph, since we don't want, I am going to remove this graph. Then we can use the space. S equal to area O A B C. S equal to half h into a plus b. Dear children, why I wrote because it is which geometrical figure? Trapezium. Then trapezium equation is equal to half h into a plus b. Because a and b are sides of the trapezium, both sides. Then h is a perpendicular height. Substituting from the graph. What is H? H equal to OC. Then A, what will be A? A is OA. B, what will be B? Other side BC. See here H OC only. H OC only this side. A is, this is A. One side of the trapezium. This is the other side of the trapezium. This area, the shaded area. The shaded area gives a trapezium. Area shaded below the graph. The shaded area gives a trapezium. So we have this equation we can substitute here. S equal to half. What is H here? OC. OC into A, what will be? OA. Plus B, what will be? BC. This symbols already for previous equations we are written. OC is time only, then OA is initial velocity only, then BC is what? Final velocity. That we are substituting. S equal to half into what is time into U plus V. S equal to half into time into U plus V. This is the equation we are getting. Finally, we are getting now equation S equal to half into V into U plus V. Then just for arranging this, I write like that just for our convenience. For next equation requirement, I write S equal to half into time into V plus C. That you will understand later why I wrote like that. This I write as equation number 1. So we have S equal to half into T into B plus C. I just changed it because we have addition identity A plus B equal to B plus A. That identity I used, addition identity only, A plus B equal to B plus A. I used it in mathematics. So S equal to half into T into S equal to half into T into U plus V. Just turned as B plus V. No more change. Here this is just changed for our convenience. So here after this equations we don't want. So I remove. Then we have what is next part? Look here. We have the substitute equation for time. We have acceleration equal to, what is acceleration? What is the equation for acceleration? We learned change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. A equal to BD by T. This equation we learned. Then what is BD? B minus C, change in velocity by time. This already learned from previous derivations. A equal to BD by T equal to B minus U by T. Then what is T? T equal to B minus U by A. This derivation I am teaching here because you understand we have acceleration equal to change in velocity by time. A equal to BD by T, B minus U by T. Then T what will be? B minus U by A. This is equation number 2. Substitute equation 2 in 1. This step we are doing here. Equation 2 you have to substitute in 1. Equation 1. Then we have S equal to half into in T what you have to substitute B minus U by A. How it came understand B minus U by A into B plus U. So we have this equation S equal to, write one more time. We have this is equation number 1. We have S equal to half into V minus U by A into V plus E. Here only V minus U by A change. This is T only. V minus A by A, what is T only? This T here written as V minus U by A. So S as it is, half as it is, T replaced by V minus U by A. Then remain V plus E. This is what identity? A plus B into A minus B form only now. So we can write A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Similarly, we can write V plus C into V minus U equal to B square minus U square. So I can write here, we can change and write S equal to half into B square minus U square by A. This has one time only, B square minus U square. So I always put in bracket S equal to half into B square minus U square by A. Then here denominator one only, cross multiply. We get 2AS. 2A into S equal to B square minus U square. This is our required equation, position velocity relation. This is all velocity time only. Here position distance. So here time factor we cannot find it. Time factor is not there. Time is not mentioned in this equation. Previous equations time is there. But here time we removed and we have a position velocity relation. 2A is equal to V square minus U square. This is equation number 3. Previous equation number 2 I have written. That's why this is equation number 3 we can write it. This is what a position velocity relation. So we started from a trapezium equation only, half H into A plus B. Then we substitute the H as OC, A as OA, B as BC. This all we got from the graph only. Then the symbols we substituted. OC means time, OA U, BC T. Then we arrange this equation as S equal to half T into V plus C for convenience. Now I hope everybody understand why I wrote V plus C. To get this formula, S square minus V square formula. Then we have from equation for isolation, we get time as V minus U by A. This is time only, V minus U by A, because V minus U equal to 80. Then V minus U by A equal to T. Then we have S equal to half into V minus U by A into V plus U. This is which identity? A square minus V square formula. So we can write V square minus U square by A. Then here denominator 2A we multiply to this S, then we get 2AS as left hand side of the equation. Right hand side we have V square minus U square. This is what we call position velocity relation. So I hope everybody understand this derivation also minimum 5 times. Here we have another graph only, that previous graph just turned and we are drawing. So another form of graph, same graph only but another form. We cannot tell another form of this same graph we just made in another form, that only for our convenience. So dear children, this equation also you have to write 5 times and study. Then only you will learn mathematical steps only. So compulsory you must write these 3 derivations, write 5 times minimum. This minimum requirement only, or until you learn. Then send me through WhatsApp, so that I will put internal mark for this assignment. Thank you children.